Let's make a cheese and onion toastie, Daniel. Yum yummy yum.
Brian, shut up.
Hello and welcome to this very quick video of making a cheese and onion toastie. So what I've done here is I've buttered the bread one side. You can butter both sides if you wish. I've put some onions. Yes, they look very nice. And then I've shredded some cheese on that side. So just waiting for the green light, which means it's ready to go. And there you go, you press it down. So this takes all in all about 5 minutes or less. As you can see, it's not quite ready yet, so we'll leave it in for a little bit longer. So you can see the little bit of the cheese sizzling there, which means it's ready. There it is. It looks so nice. You can see the browning on the bread, which is nice, and the onion. Oh, yum. Nice. Anyway, that was my cheese and onion toastie. If you like that, give it a share, like, and subscribe for more videos. And turn that bell on to not miss it. Thanks.